Welcome back to the President's Sitcom Show.
All right, boys, what do you want to do today?
Let's do something involving ice cream.
Whoa, what was that noise?
Okay, somebody explain what's happening.
Yeah, I'll explain.
Who are you?
I'm a random person from a sitcom.
What's a sitcom?
Basically, it means that there's a live audience watching you right now.
I didn't agree to that.
It's a good thing that I have experience on TV.
So what are we supposed to do?
Just say a bunch of random stuff, and you'll get paid $10 million.
Holy crap, I'm in. But this audience is starting to annoy me.
Well, you're starting to annoy me.
Whoa, is that Hillary?
Yes, my name is Hillary, and I like spaghetti.
Wow, that was so funny that the directors want to pay you $20 million.
Who agreed to pay this cow $20 million?
Shut up! 'Cause I just told her! Sit down!
Yeah, you're fired.